that all may be one. Hindi natin talagang ma-achieve yung ultimate unity sa isang community. Ang pagkakaisa talaga, it is so difficult really to achieve it, no, completely. Pero it is so important because I think this is the key today in which we can address not only our personal challenges, but I think we have to bond together. We have to work together. Akala natin kasi yung unity is uniformity. No. It's not uniformity. But unity means that we have the capacity, the willingness and the readiness to bond together, to work together. At ito'y ma-achieve natin in order to address complex and complicated issues right now. Ito'y pwede nating magawa if we respect one another's differences and we can still work together in the midst of all this diversity. Uniting ourselves in love, bonding ourselves in hope, and working together for the greater glory of God and for the common good of all.